The Empire State Building. When exploring New York City, there are several different options for activities during a day trip. Some visitors come to see a show, visit art museums, or simply to shop in many of the city's high-end retailers. However, many tourists simply come to New York City for the sightseeing. One of the most visited landmarks in New York City is the Empire State Building. The Empire State Building, constructed in 1931, is a 102-story skyscraper, the 9th highest building in the world, and the 4th tallest structure in the United States. It is located in Midtown Manhattan. This skyscraper is an iconic symbol of the city, having been featured in over 90 popular movies as of 2018 throughout film history. Tourists come from all over the world to visit this building and view the city from its famous observation decks. Matthew, an enthusiast of historic buildings, was excited for this trip to New York City because he has always appreciated architectural design. Matthew purchased a ticket that granted him access to beautiful 360-degree views of the city. The ticket included an elevator ride that stopped at 2 different vantage points, one at the 86th floor and the other at the rooftop observatory on the 102nd floor. From these observation decks, Matthew took incredible photographs of the entire New York City skyline. The rooftop views granted Matthew perfect aerial perspectives of Central Park, the Brooklyn Bridge, Times Square, the Statue of Liberty, and many other important city landmarks. Did you understand the text? It's time to answer the questions.